A sudden onset, severe headache may indicate subarachnoid hemorrhage and requires immediate imaging. A thunderclap headache could be a sign of a ruptured aneurysm, and early detection via imaging is critical to prevent further complications. Consider temporal arteritis in patients over 50 years old presenting with headache and consider immediate treatment. Temporal arteritis can lead to vision loss, so prompt treatment with corticosteroids is essential to prevent permanent damage. For patients with suspected meningitis, perform lumbar puncture and begin empirical antibiotics immediately. Rapid diagnosis and treatment of meningitis are necessary to reduce the risk of fatal complications like sepsis or brain damage. In patients with severe back pain and neurological deficits, consider cauda equina syndrome, which requires urgent MRI. Cauda equina syndrome can lead to permanent paralysis and incontinence if not diagnosed and treated with surgery promptly. New-onset seizures warrant evaluation for reversible causes, including metabolic disturbances and head trauma. Identifying underlying causes of seizures, such as electrolyte imbalances or traumatic brain injury, is crucial for effective treatment. Febrile seizures in children are usually benign, but require ruling out meningitis in children under 12 months. While febrile seizures often resolve without intervention, meningitis must be excluded in young infants due to its serious implications. Acute angle closure glaucoma presents with sudden ocular pain, vision changes, and a fixed mid-dilated pupil, requiring emergent treatment. This form of glaucoma can cause rapid vision loss, and immediate treatment is needed to lower intraocular pressure and prevent blindness. Optic neuritis, characterized by visual loss and pain with ocular movement, is often associated with multiple sclerosis. Optic neuritis is frequently the first sign of multiple sclerosis, and early recognition can prompt further investigation and treatment. Assess dizziness by distinguishing between central and peripheral causes using neurologic and otologic exams. Determining whether dizziness is caused by central or peripheral issues is key to guiding appropriate treatment. For patients presenting with vertigo, the Dix-Hallpike maneuver can help diagnose benign paroxysmal positional vertigo (BPPV). This maneuver helps to confirm positional vertigo, which is often due to inner ear problems and can be treated with simple repositioning techniques. Rapid management of stroke patients using evidence-based guidelines can significantly improve outcomes. Time is critical in stroke care, and following protocols such as thrombolysis or thrombectomy can prevent long-term disability. Secondary brain injury in trauma patients can be minimized by ensuring adequate oxygenation and avoiding hypoventilation. Preventing hypoxia and maintaining proper ventilation are vital in trauma care to reduce the risk of brain swelling and further injury. Retinal artery occlusion, presenting as sudden unilateral vision loss, may be a sign of a serious vascular emergency. This condition is comparable to a stroke in the eye and requires immediate treatment to restore blood flow and preserve vision. In patients with suspected intracranial hemorrhage, avoid anticoagulants until imaging confirms the absence of bleeding. Administering anticoagulants without confirming the absence of bleeding can exacerbate hemorrhage and lead to catastrophic outcomes. Hypertonic saline is reserved for patients with severe hyponatremia and neurologic symptoms like seizures or coma. A 3% sodium chloride solution can be used to rapidly correct low sodium levels in critically ill patients to prevent further neurological damage.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscription button. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below in the comments section.